Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger deemed abusive. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger deemed abusive, you should just go to settings like this very click. After that, in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this page, you will go down to find the application of Messenger and you will enter here. Then in this page you will go to click for stop. After that you will enter to storage. When you will end this you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.